What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Jay Seals, and today we are covering SBF again because he is coming home. He's coming home to the United States to face these charges, and he's seeking bail. Now, remember, guys, he got denied bail in the Bahamas, but over here he's got a second chance, so let's dig right into it. Sam Bankman-Fried is seeking bail arrangement in the U.S. So after being extradited from Bahamian custody, Sam Bankman-Fried is seeking a bail arrangement in the United States. CNN reported that the FTX founder is negotiating with federal prosecutors on an arrangement that would allow him to avoid detention in New York. Bankman-Fried was arrested last week following the U.S. indictment on 8 charges. Following his previous contest to extradition, Bankman-Fried was extradited to the U.S. yesterday. Yet, as his trial awaits, the former billionaire is attempting adequate bail. Bankman-Fried is the face of one of the largest scandals in crypto history. I think it might be the largest. Moreover, it's pretty close. But moreover, prosecutors have labeled it one of the biggest financial frauds in American history. Following the demise of FTX amidst reports of millions in customer funds being utilized by the company, that platform is now under Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection, and Bankman-Fried has been arrested on 8 counts of fraud and conspiracy charges. He was taken into custody last week, and he's now facing an extradition hearing in the United States. Prior to his extradition, Bankman-Fried was denied bail in the Bahamas, which is why I think he's coming here. The judge on the case sentenced Bankman-Fried to remain in the infamous Foxhole Correctional Facility in Nassau, which ain't so infamous for Bankman-Fried. You can check out my video that I did on his living conditions, which was by far way better than anybody's probably ever gotten there. Conversely, it seems the former crypto mogul and his legal team are seeking a different outcome this time. Although there's no set time, Bankman-Fried is set to appear before a judge in Manhattan for a bail hearing. Thereafter, CNN reported that his counsel is discussing with prosecutors an arrangement for his release with conditions upon his arrival. Furthermore, it appears as though this effort to keep Bankman-Fried out of the Metropolitan Detention Center, MDC, the MDC is a pretrial holding facility that may be as infamous as the Foxhole jail in which Bankman-Fried was previously held. So, I mean, he's a superstar, allegedly. So he got really good. He got really good treatment in Foxhill. So maybe he might get really good treatment in this detention center too. But I think what he's really after is getting out of jail for free. Well, not for free, but on bail while he waits for the actual trial, where he hopes to beat it, right? Which, we don't know what's going to happen. But there's been some good points for him coming over here and at least getting bail, right? He's not really a flight risk because he decided to come over here, and he can say that to the judge, and maybe the judge might be a little bit more understanding. And then on top of that, there's going to be a whole bunch of cameras on him. They're going to know where he's at all times. It's going to be very, very hard for him to make a move, and social media and media in general not to know about it. So I think it's a pretty safe bet that he is going to end up getting bail here. But I want to know what you guys think. Do you think he's going to get bail, or do you think they're going to lock him up and keep him there until his trial? But that's all I got for this one. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.